Welcome back everyone. In this video tutorial, I would like to install a new package for Python called PyQt in Raspberry Pi and see whether we will be able to install PyQt and run a sample application on that PyQt. Okay. So first of all, for that thing, I might need to check for the version. So I'm actually checking all these sort of things in DeepSeek chatbot, and I got an information regarding how to install and how to run the application. So I am assuming that I already installed Python in the system. Let's try to check the version of the Python. Please. So Python is 3.11.2. So that is the one which is probably might be needed. So what we need to do here is we might need to install the Python 3. So probably sudo update then probably the Python. So this might take a while to update the system. Um, hopefully not take much time. Yeah. So it's already updated. So now we will be installing PyQt Python 3 Qt PyQt 5. Okay. So let's see whether it is already there. This package is available in Raspberry Pi. So that's what my checking is. Okay. So PyQt already exists already in the newest version. So that's what it's actually mentioning in the new version 5.15.9. So PyQt is set to manually install, following PyQt automatically installed and is no longer required. So that means that PyQt is almost installed. So probably there might be other thing as well. So what we need to do now here is we need to test whether um, we need to test whether a sample application with the PyQt is actually working. Okay, so for that thing, probably we need to do here is we might need to create a Python file. So what we will do is vi test.py. Okay, so that we will create a vi editor. We will create a something in vi editor. Then let me try to copy it, and probably hopefully we can paste it without much difficulty here. Okay. So what let me check it again from. Okay. So I have almost checked. So let me write and quit wq. Okay. Okay. So then let me try to run the system test.py. Okay. Python 3 test.py. Okay. So let me try to run it. Hopefully this should launch something. Okay. That's what the assumption. Something right came. Okay. Oh, great. Something came. Okay, so it actually launched a PyQt application. So PyQt is nothing but the Qt library wrapper of Python. Okay, Python. So internally it is actually, yeah, actually calling the Qt components. Okay, so let me now try to install. I'm here for just to confirm one thing. Just to know whether PyQt already has some components related to already has some component related to browser. Okay, so that was what my requirement was. So let me. So this is a component. This is a sample application which demonstrates a browser, a small browser. So let me copy that thing. So then again, let me create a new Python file called browser.py. Okay. Then let me paste this code. Then let me write and quit wq. Okay, escape key and write wq exclamation. Okay, so that's what the command for vi editor. So almost all the old programmers Unix starting from Unix programmers are actually used to this sort of editor. This is called a vi editor. It's a very powerful editor. We can do everything in command line. Okay, so that is one of the biggest advantages of vi editor. Okay, so I had run saved browser as well. This Python file as well. So let me try to Python 3. So I'm on the assumption that this will also run, especially the browser component will also get installed when we actually install PyQt. Okay, let me try browser w browser dot py. Okay, so let me try. So that is a problem. Okay, so that this is what I want to confirm. Okay, Qt web engine widgets is not present. Okay, so I was actually struggling to install actually Qt web engine widgets in Raspberry Pi, because we have to recompile that Qt web engine widgets. So I thought that when we install Python PyQt in this machine, hopefully that also install all the any built-in PyQt web engine widgets. Okay, unfortunately, that was not the case. This runs on top of PyQt runs on top of Qt itself, Qt web engine as well. Okay, so we have to recompile the Qt web engine and for Raspberry Pi. Then we need to make it. Okay, so this is what I was want to confirm. So that's it. I will be back with another tutorial soon. Okay, thank you.